Hello friends, in this video we will see the beam offset command that is available in Staad Pro. To explain the command, I will use the same example that I used in the previous video just to save some time. Okay. To explain what this offset is, let me select this column, this beam. I'll just select these two and click on render option that is available here. Left click on it, and if I go to the closer view of this connection, then you can see how they have been connected. Okay, you can see that the beam has gone into the column up to half of its width, right? And the column is, and there is a small gap between the column and the beam portion over here. The column should have gone up to the top of the beam, but it hasn't gone. Okay, in reality what happens is that in the beam column junction, it doesn't happen like that is shown in the Staad Pro. In reality what happens is you get a column here from the ground, you get the column, and there is the beam like this. Okay, this will continue, this will also continue. Okay, when the beam just in Staad Pro, the beam goes into half of this column, right? If it goes like this, here also it goes half into the column, the span of the beam increases from here to here. Due to the increase in the span, the moment value also increase. Due to the increase in moment value, the reinforcement value also increase. To economize our section and to tell Staad Pro what the real scenario at the site is, what we do is that we tell Staad Pro to take the beam from face of the column from here to here. By doing this, we decrease the span of this beam and thus decrease the moment and thus decrease the reinforcement on it. Similarly, we can offset the column so that it just goes to the top of the beam. Okay, I'll just show you how to offset the beam, and using the same concept you can offset the columns as well.